Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartboard feeder camera has started acting a little differently or you're seeing a firmware update notification in the app, it's a good idea to install the latest software before troubleshooting anything else. Firmware updates often improve camera stability, fix connection problems, enhance motion detection, and add new features. However, interrupting the update or starting it with a weak battery can cause unnecessary issues. That's why it's important to prepare the camera properly before beginning the update. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can follow to update your smartbird feeder camera firmware safely and successfully. 1. Charge the camera and keep it powered throughout the update. 2. Connect the camera to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 3. Open the feeder app and go to device settings. 4. Tap firmware update and install the available version. 5. Wait until the update finishes without turning off the camera. 6. Restart the camera and confirm the new firmware version is installed.